Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, where do stars come from? Millions of tiny lights twinkle above us, but each one has its own story. Today, we're going on a journey across space to discover how stars are born. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Bright Minds Kid so you can join us on more amazing space adventures. Stars are born inside giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These nebulae float in space, looking like colorful, glowing clouds. They're sometimes so big, they can fit thousands of solar systems inside them. Inside a nebula, tiny particles start to gather together. Slowly, gravity pulls the gas and dust closer and closer. As the material clumps, it forms a dense ball. And guess what? That's the very first step in creating a star. Gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything together. Without it, stars would never form. As gravity pulls more gas into the growing clump, the ball gets bigger, heavier, and hotter. This early baby star is called a protostar. It's not shining yet, but it's on its way. Imagine a star as a baby wrapped inside a blanket of gas, quiet, warm, and waiting to grow. When the protostar gathers enough mass, the pressure inside becomes enormous. Temperatures rise to millions of degrees, and then, boom! A process called nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms inside the star start smashing together to form helium, releasing a huge amount of energy. This energy is what makes stars shine so brightly in the night sky. At this moment, the protostar officially becomes a newborn star. Once a star is born, it can live for millions or even billions of years depending on its size. Small stars burn slowly, glowing softly for billions of years. Giant stars, however, burn much faster and shine super bright, but their lives are shorter. No matter the size, every star starts the same way, born from a cloud of gas and dust, lit by the fire of fusion. Did you know stars are connected to us too? Without stars, Earth wouldn't exist. Stars create the elements that make up our bodies, our air, even our food. When a massive star explodes at the end of its life, it spreads these elements across the galaxy. So the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and even the oxygen you breathe were once made inside stars. Isn't that amazing? You are made of stardust. Stars are born, they live, and eventually they die. But from their dust and gas, new stars form again. It's like a cosmic circle of life. Some become white dwarfs, others explode into supernovas, and the biggest stars may even form black holes. From beginning to end, stars keep the universe alive and full of light. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're seeing stars that were born in beautiful nebulae, powered by nuclear fusion, and shining for billions of years. Stars are more than just lights in the sky. They're the creators of life, the keepers of galaxies, and the reason we exist. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe, Bright Minds Kid, for more incredible space adventures.